What is up, Togs? We are here at the Long Beach Progressive International Motorcycle Show. Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that was not well planned. What is up, Togs? We are here at the 2019 Progressive International Motorcycle Show here in Long Beach, California. I don't really want to say anything. I just want to head inside and check out what they've got. So let's get right to it. Well, I probably have the worst helmet head, and I've got a headache, and I'm so exhausted. But we rode so many bikes today and had so much fun. I would do it over and over and over again. I don't believe I did an outro video, so we're doing it now. Oh, but this was so much fun. It was totally 100% worth this last minute trip. Sorry, we had to pause there because I don't know where I'm going. But guys, if you have an opportunity next year, because today was the last day, to go to the Progressive International Motorcycle Show, I would highly recommend it. Thank you to those of you, though, who did leave me messages and let me know what I should do. That was very helpful. So, like I said, I'm exhausted. We've got energy drinks, and I'm gonna stop and get food. And, you know, it's a long drive home, and Google says it's gonna be about 6.5 hours. So, you know, we're in for the long haul. I don't regret for a second doing it, and that's all I've got. So if you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up down there, which is the like button. And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. You know, we do last minute events, and I try to take my camera with me everywhere that I go. So if we do fun things like this, I take you with me. All right, guys, if you're riding, be safe. And if you're not riding, get riding. I'm that one guy, and I am out.